Hello there everyone and welcome to Mirfield Railway Station, and to kick things off we see the departure of 158-850 and 158-872 working the 16:13:42 Northern service from Leeds through to Wigan Wallgate, running 5 minutes late. Departing over on the far side is 158-758, running 10 minutes late with the 16:39 Northern service of Wigan Wallgate through to Leeds. Running 6 minutes late for Transpennine Express is 185-115 and 185-107, working 1p81 from Manchester Airport through to Saltburn. Running 14 minutes late over on the far side is 66-302, working 6 Echo 10 from Liverpool Biomass Terminal through to Drax. Next passing through the station is 185-151 and 185-119, working 1p78 from Saltburn through to Manchester Airport. Departing 9 minutes late on the far side is 185-127 and 185-123, with the 16:58 Transpennine Express service of Manchester Piccadilly through to Hull. Arriving next into the station will be 185-111, working the 17:11 Transpennine Express service from Leeds through to Manchester Piccadilly. Flying through the station on the far side, running 5 minutes late, is 185-148, working 1U67 from Manchester Piccadilly through to Scarborough. Also passing fast on the far side is 802-211, working 1p33 for Transpennine Express from Liverpool Lime Street through to Newcastle. Flying through the middle for Transpennine Express is 802-201, working 9 Mike 35 from Newcastle through to Liverpool Lime Street. Next train out to depart is 158753, working the 1739 Northern Service from Wigan Wallgate through to Leeds. Arriving next into the station 19 minutes late is 180-101, working the 1727 Grand Central service from London King's Cross through to Bradford Interchange. Departing over on the far side is 185137, working the 1748 Transpennine Express service from Manchester Piccadilly through to York. And as that departs, we also see the departure of 158758, running 5 minutes late with the 1744 Northern service from Leeds through to Wigan Wallgate. And to take us onto our sleep over place for the night is 185138, running 5 minutes late with a 1747 Transpennine Express service from York through to Manchester Piccadilly. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.